Johnny Depp's attorney saves elderly man on airplane. Hello to everyone, I really hope you've had a wonderful week so far. Let's skip the small talk for a moment and get down to the issue of the day, which is guaranteed to brighten up your day even more. According to a report, the lawyer for Johnny Depp, Camille Vasquez, is being referred to as a Wonder Woman for rushing to a man's aid when he experienced a medical emergency aboard a flight she was on. The man was in need of immediate assistance. According to the reports, which cited eyewitness accounts, Vasquez was traveling from Los Angeles to New York City on an American Airlines flight this week when a fellow passenger collapsed and hit his head. Vasquez had just come off a career-making courtroom victory in Depp's bombshell defamation trial against his ex-wife, Amber Heard. The trial was against Amber Heard for allegedly defaming Depp. The unidentified passenger, who appeared to be in his 70s, tripped and fell as he was walking past Vasquez and her bodyguard, who were seated in first class. Reportedly, the celebrity lawyer and her security guard responded immediately to a request for assistance made by a flight attendant. According to passengers, Vasquez called her brother-in-law, who is a physician, and walked her through determining whether the patient was experiencing a heart attack or a brain hemorrhage, the outlet reported. Her brother-in-law is a physician. Vasquez's bodyguard even removed his Apple Watch and placed it on the sick passenger in order to keep track of the latter's vital signs. An emergency medical technician named Vasquez was quickly relieved of her duties as an EMT by a surgeon who was also traveling on the same flight. The surgeon took over the life-saving procedures. Passengers reported that a member of the cabin crew complimented Vasquez by calling her Wonder Woman and gave her a bottle of champagne and a bottle of Merlot as a token of appreciation for her efforts. The pilot then executed a go-around and returned the aircraft to LAX, where it was greeted by emergency medical personnel who assisted the patients in a safe exit from the aircraft. It is currently unknown what caused the man to pass out, and it is also unknown what his condition at this time. The occurrence will undoubtedly propel the newly minted law partner status to previously unachievable levels. Vasquez has won legions of fans all over the world as a result of Depp Heard's civil trial, which resulted in the Pirates of the Caribbean star being awarded more than $10 million in damages for having his reputation sullied. Since Johnny Depp's defamation trials against his ex-wife Amber Heard began in April at the Fairfax County Court, Camille Vasquez has become a phenomenon on the internet. The trial was held at the same location. Following the conclusions of the case, which resulted in a victory for Depp, the attorney gained an even greater following on the internet. Fans have gone as far as launching an official merchandise line dedicated to the attorney, which includes product with phrases like "Camille is my lawyer" and "Camille Vasquez for president." Camille Vasquez, an attorney for Johnny Depp, is in high demand as a result of the successful representations she provided for her client during the defamation trial involving Amber Heard. After representing a client in a case that received so much media attention, it is not uncommon for a lawyer to find themselves involved in other high-profile cases. What is more unusual is the fact that the career opportunities are not restricted to the legal field. She is garnering attention of Hollywood producers for potential roles in television and film broadcasts, speaking engagements, branding opportunities, and even the opportunity to launch her very own production company. Vasquez is currently mulling over a number of opportunities, each of which has the potential to lead her down a very different professional path. At least 4 of the largest law firms in the country are reportedly doing everything in their power to recruit Vasquez away from Brown Rudnick and make her a member of their staff, as has been reported. It was reported that she had a meeting with the managing partner of one company on Wednesday in New York City. There is one very prominent potential client who is very close to going to trial, and she is interested in the case. She has a lot riding on the outcome of this case. This lends credence to the idea that she may be more interested in advancing her legal career as opposed to moving to the entertainment industry. At this point, that is the entirety of the information that we possess. If you enjoyed viewing the show, we would appreciate it if you would consider subscribing to it by clicking the button labeled subscribe. Make sure the notification button is activated so that you are kept abreast of all of the newest videos that we upload. We would appreciate it if you would use the comment box to share your reactions to the video with us, as we would be interested in hearing them as well. That was everything that we were able to cram into the agenda for today.